Hello guys, I'm back with another haul from Superstore. This is our weekly haul. So to start off, we have some meats here. So for this time, we have this mild Italian sausages. Bumili din ako ng hot Italian sausages. Gagawa ako dito ng pasta with some tomatoes and then tomato sauce. And then this one as well, I'm gonna make some sausages with peppers and then ilalagay ko siya sa bun. As well, masarap din ito for breakfast, yung original breakfast pork sausages. This was $5.98. Dito naman tayo sa mga fruits and vegetables. Meron tayong ditong organic basil. Of course, lalagyan natin to sa mga pasta na gagawin natin for this week. We also have, I think, 10 pieces of this Roma tomatoes. They're more or less around $5. Of course, meron tayong different colored bell peppers for our sausage and peppers. I also have some avocados in here. Medyo green pa siya or unripe pa siya. What I do is I put this in a brown bag. Tapos ilalagay ko siya inside the pantry. Siguro mga 3 to 4 days pwede na siyang kainin. Pero as of now, medyo unripe pa siya. So hindi pa siya pwedeng kainin. Next, we just have this ginger. Meron din akong green onions. There you go. And then, itong ating pechay. I also have here some spinach. Dahil gagawa ako today ng munggo since it's Friday. It's a munggo day for us. Tapos lalagyan ko ng chicharon yung ating munggo. I also have some onions in here. And then, tatlong mangoes for my husband. This was $3.98 for this bag. And then, we also have some English cucumbers as well. So, yun lamang sa ating fruits and vegetable section. Pakita ko sa inyo yung bun na gagamitin natin para sa sausage and peppers. Ito yon. It's the original sausage buns. 6 pieces siya. And then, I also got this unbun, free of grain and gluten filled with 3 grams of non-fiber carbs. Para sa inyong mga nagki-keto diet, this is a good bread substitute dahil meron lang siyang water, almond flour, egg white, flax, coconut flour, psyllium husk, whole egg, apple cider vinegar, cream of tartar, salt, sodium bicarbonate, and yun lang. Pero mahal siya, guys. Dalawang mini baguette lang siya for $10.98. Next one, meron din. This is the organic sprouted bread. This is $6.98. Nakikita ko siya sa frozen section dito sa aming Superstore. And then, yung ating popcorn twist. This is for my daughter. And then, we also have some pastas. Dahil gagawa ako ng pasta this week. Meron tayo ditong rigatoni pasta. We also have capellini pasta or angel hair pasta. Meron din tayong linguine. Another alternative if you're on a keto diet is this low-calorie pasta from konjac roots. So it is 25 calories per pack lang siya and it's gluten-free. Meron din tayong mga non-food items. Meron tayo ditong bathroom tissue. There's 12 rolls. We also got this Palmolive Pure and Clear Lavender and Eucalyptus dishwashing liquid soap. And then since dry dito sa winter at nagdadry yung hands ko, kumuha din ako nitong Glycemid hand cream. We also grabbed some plastic wraps. Kumuha ko ng dalawa. This two, siguro wala pang $3 siya. And then, medyo umuubo kami ngayong week. And then, we also got some cough drops here because medyo nagka-cough ako at medyo malamig na nga ngayon. And then we also grabbed some mega sardines. This is the spicy one. Nilalagay ko siya sa omelette. And it's really good with the onion as well. We also grabbed some tuna in cans. I just got 2. And then we also have some raw honey. What I do with this, kasi naubos na yung aming honey eh. What I do with this is pagka inuubo kami, I just boil some water, add lemon, and then a teaspoon of honey. Mix them together, and then yun ang pinapainom ko sa family ko. And then, last but not least, itong aming 2 cans of whole tomatoes sa mga pasta na gagawin ko for this weekend. There you go, guys. That was our haul from Superstore for this week. Thank you for spending time with me. Until next time, goodbye.